Fighting back against a low credit score means I can avoid high interest rate payments, finally get my dream home I've always wanted, and sign that credit app with the confidence that I'll always hear.
You're approved.
Never! Your credit will remain low forever!
I'm going to Sundays.live/credit to restore my FICO score.
Your credit score will never rise!
Oh, yeah? I just went to Sundays.live/credit and I'm going to take my credit back. Only $89 a month with no contract or long-term obligations. Restore your FICO score at Sundays.live/credit and learn how you too can take your credit back.